Hello, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to do sunlight on a manga face. So here we are going to create a folder and we will add all the layers that we have worked on under this folder. So as you can see here, I'm adding all the layers under the folder. Once that is done, click on the boxed plus and add a layer called layer from canvas. As you can see on the screen, once the layer is created, change it to multiply and the picture will become something like this. Once this is done, click on alpha lock. Alpha locks look like a lock with a @ sign on it. Once that's done, you can choose a base color, a color which is a little bit dark, and color it on the picture just like that. Here is the font part. Take an eraser and erase the areas where you want to add this sunlight effect. As you can see here, I have added soft lights, and then just by changing the setting to 85% here I can add a little bit sharp sunlight, strong sunlight. So that's all. It's very simple. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful. It will motivate me to create more tutorials. I humbly request for your support. Please like my video and subscribe. Thank you.